After teasers, Huawei has officially introduced the Mate X-T Ultimate design as the world's first smartphone with a tri-fold screen in production. After teasers, this has a 6.4-inch FHD Plus screen when folded, 7.9-inch 2K screen when open half, and when fully open it transforms into a 10.2-inch tablet with a 3K screen. When fully open, it is just 3.6 millimeters. This uses an LTPO OLED screen with 440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming at a maximum touch sampling rate of 240 Hz. The screen is made of multi-directional bending flexible materials, resistant to bending, that has been increased by 25% compared to traditional foldables. The inner fold resists compression, and the outer fold resists tension, said the company. It features a composite ultra-tough laminated structure using non-Newtonian fluid and the industry's largest UTG glass, offering double impact resistance and provides reliable protection, said Huawei. It has X-Mag imaging featuring a 50-megapixel 1.56 main camera with variable aperture ranging from f1.4 to f4.0. A 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle and 12-megapixel 5.5x periscope telephoto rear camera. There is an 8-megapixel camera on the inside. The phone packs a 5600 mAh world's thinnest silicon-carbon large-capacity battery with a battery thickness of only 1.9 millimeters, said Huawei. It supports 66-watt wired fast charging, 50 watts wireless fast charging. The SoC is not revealed, but it is expected to use Kirin 9000 chip. Huawei also introduced a foldable touch keyboard that can be paired with the Mate X-T to provide a desktop PC-like experience. The Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate design comes in black and red colors and is priced at 199,099 yuan, 208,25235,9 approx. For the 16GB 256GB model, 219,999 yuan U3089 war, 2,159,500 approx. For the 16GB plus 512GB version and the top-end 16GB plus 1TB version costs 239,099 yuan, USD 337 at 2,003,095 approx. It is already available to order and will go on sale in China starting from September 20th.